Dear friend, today we will discuss about a few topics which is related to jobs. So, jobs related, I am talking about the five jobs that AI will never replace. So, why behind this? Because of they are rely heavily on human emotions, creativity, ethics, and real world adaptability. So, why? Because of all things will not give by the technology. Technology will assist, but in this area, what I am discussing about the five jobs. So, for example, doctors and surgeons. So, this part of jobs will not replaced by AI because of surgeons' roles will not do by artificial intelligence or machine learning. Why? Because of here need to human emotions, creativity, ethics. These kind of things will only judge by the doctors, not to be judged by machine. Machine only can give the report and other things, but not give. This is related to nurse. And second part is a nurse because of here also needed the human emotions. Nurse, they will facilitate to the patient what they had needed. So machine such kind of work cannot be do like that. Injections, medicine, support, that kind of things machine will never do what patients is required because of machines will not understand the humans creativity and emotions. So here have the five things. AI only assist with the diagnosis. AI only can do the diagnosis, but it cannot replace the human empathy and patient trust because of complex ethical decisions will not do by the AI. AI only do the machine level work, not the emotion level work of the human activity. Real time judgment if during the surgery and other medicine and so many lot of work is there in the medical line. So machine only can assist like that extra diagnosis is a part of the extra blood sampling reports. Lot of things can be do by the AI, and based on this report doctors and nurse will act on this basis of this report so they can uh, do work accordingly. So people need human care. So in that scenario, the people need to human care, not just data driven answer. Because of AI will work based on the data driven answers. And teachers and educators, this job will not replace. Why? Because of you see, machine can give based on the data. Machine can assist like that. Right to the script regarding to any topics, but the human judgment will not do by the uh, machine because of here how to understand and how to be taught to the student. For example, this is AI can deliver the content, but teachers provide this is motivation and inspiration, because of motivation and inspiration will not do by the machine, it can be do by the human. And emotional support like that career related, and and it's feeling of the student that can this kind of uh, uh, things will only judged by the human. And also it will provide the personalized mentorship, means they can assist to the student as a personally what they had needed and what they can do. For example, if any students are be in the particular area of subject, so in that cases teachers can do the motivation and inspiration and support to like that. If you want like that extra support, so they can suggest to the student and personalize, they will provide to support. So these things are associated deeply the human and emotions, not just informal. Because of AI will give the information data based on the data driven, but it cannot judge the humans emotion. And just like we can say a motivation and inspiration, this type of activity cannot be do by the AI. Third job is have creative artist. You know, the artist is like a singer and heroes and filmmakers or content writers or news writers. These kind of jobs will never replaced by the AI. Why? The music and photos and dancing, if you are see here the dancing music and camera and that that is the singing of song and making some image, so that kind of things which is related to human, that parts is done by only the humans. So here AI can generate the content but not truly originality and live experience. And because of AI work as a co-worker of the artist, but they originally cannot do truly the life experience and the cultural context and emotional depth and unique storytelling. So this kind of thing here needed the human experience and feeling or comes from the human, not come from the AI. So AI part is a different and human part is different. So in that scenario, these jobs are safe in AI era. Other the psychologist and therapist, because of AI cannot judge the psychology of human, here needed the psychologist, and if we want to do the some therapy, and so here need the therapist. Why I have noted out this point. If you can see through this image, therapist first will ask the question and think about the problem and note this. That kind of suggestions they can get from the UI regarding to that. But therapy and physical exercise works cannot be do by the AI. This is a discussion about the therapist what has actually problems so they can understand by the surgeon as a therapist and psychologist. So psychologist will read the human issues and suggestions. So in that scenario, AI chatbot exists, but they lack the deep emotional understanding and trust building relationship and ethical human judgment. So these are the 3 points. So this would judge by the human just like a psychologist and therapist, but it is associated with, for example, the mental health requirement and some physical issues, lack of the physical issues. So that kind of things will do by the therapist because of here needed the exercise. So exercise work will suggest by the therapist and any mind related thinkings are raised so that can be judged by the psychologist and accordingly they can give the suggestions. So finally we can say the mental health require real human connections. So here need the human connections. So other part is comes the five skill trades as like that electrician, plumber and machine because of mechanics. So these things, electrician, if you have the home, you want to fit the wire, so here AI cannot do, it will do by the physically by the human. So plumbing works related plumbing work part cannot be do by the AI. AI only can give the suggestions and calculations, but in physical environment, the plumber will do. So that electrician and plumbers work are safe jobs and mechanics, if have any mechanical work, so that physically is possible not to be through the AI chatbot or any other chatbot and other things they can give the suggestions how to work, how to start. So content they can provide, but practically not possible by the AI. So here needed the electrician and plumbers. So how we can do this is, for examples we want to fitting some wiring or piping, or we have a factory here we want to fitting some kind of plumbing work, so here need the human intervention. Why? Because of this is not possible by the AI. So if you go this image, if have a mechanical, they have motorcycles, some issues comes. So this physically is possible to correct it and sort out the problem, not through the AI. So here, involvement of these jobs, physical work is unpredictable environment, problem solving on the spot, and hand-on expertise. Reward struggle with the real-world complexity and variability. So these kind of things cannot be do by just like a plumber, mechanicals, and mechanics, because of if you are set up the cloud, set up in any places, so all these three jobs will boom in future, because of your need to administrative building and some plumbing work as well, and here need the requirement of the mechanics. So all these are the surging jobs in future. So finally I can say this is are completely safe jobs in AI era. So AI can transform in technologies field just like as a software developers and others. So here, what is my final thought? AI will transform job, not just replace them. So safest careers are those that combine human emotions plus creativity plus critical thinking. So if you have the knowledge of human emotions, creativity, and critical thinking, so you are safe in AI era jobs. For example, if you are working on the technology side, just like a Java or Spring Boot or any .NET, any Python, so here how you are safe in this area if you have uh, the skill set plus AI knowledge, so your job is safe. So we can say technology can transform to the technology only if they have some physical work. So in that scenario, technology cannot transform without intervention of the humans. So that is my final thought. So you always keep in mind in the AI era, you should have the knowledge, the humans and AI. So if you have combination with the AI and human challenges, so you are safe in the job market. So that's it from my end, how to learn and what you think about